Alright guys, we're sorry about that. The phone had cut off on us, but it's okay. We're gonna finish saying it. You will see a part two. And this is part two. We're gonna finish saying it. Alright guys, we're gonna turn it around so we can do the back. You don't wanna forget that.
Guys, I want to let you know, guys, the camera turned off on us, as the kids explained to you guys. So we will have a part one, a part two, and a part three to the videos. Okay, the kids are going to start painting. We still got to do one more thing to put inside of the box. The kids will be done, and they're finna start painting. I don't know what they want to do with the box. They'll let you tell you what they want to do with the box. They might want to give it away on their new channel. They'll be making a new channel on YouTube. So, guys, stay tuned and follow and support them. And by the way, we have more kids coming in. You'll see more kids. So, hey, stay tuned. We are serious about bringing young, creative minds to the black community.
Alright guys, so we finished saying the box. Now we're gonna start doing one more thing. We're gonna start painting. And guys, we're gonna agree what should we do with the box, but in the comment section, tell us what y'all think we should have did.
So we got it like this now.
All work makes a team.
All we gotta do is do one more thing and then paint.
And just let us know in the comments what should we have done. Now we're gonna agree with like what should we do with the box. Like, so what's y'all think we should do with the box? Alright guys, as y'all can see, we're so excited and happy that we have now finished our box. We're gonna give y'all a little 360. All done. Y'all can see we finished, and the paint we're using is Rust-Oleum. It's the gloss kind, and it's used black paint. Get it at Walmart. So now as y'all can see that we have finished, we're gonna grab the painting table. I'm gonna put our box on the painting table and start back. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Alright guys, as y'all can see, we have put the box on the painting station. It's gonna be 3 layers. I'll do layer 1,
Layer 2, layer 3.
Alright guys, finished covering the whole box.
Box. All right, guys, you see what she have done? She have put the first layer on. She's gonna stop now. You can stop. She's gonna let that dry. Then Jaden gonna come back around and put another layer on. Don't you want to put a little bit more in the front? Y'all see this young lady doing it, and she's doing a great job. They built the speaker bar, guys. Hey, how many kids you see doing this? This ain't the only thing we're doing. Hey, welcome to Trey's Youth and Development. Hey, I'm gonna give y'all a little quick shot at the Lambo right quick. There go the Lamborghini right there, guys. Hey, let you guys see what these kids gonna be doing.
Alright guys, Jen's gonna add the second layer now. Go ahead. All around.
Come on now. All right, start. Look at the camera, Jaden. Tell everybody how old you are.
I'm 11 years old.
And tell them what you did.
I was spray painting the next layer.
All right, so guys, Jaden has this painted box. Now, Do-Man is going to apply the inside of the box, the paint to the inside of the box. He's going to put a metallic silver inside the box to give it a different look.
Alright guys, Do-Man is gonna be painting inside silver.
Okay, I'm about to start. Make sure it's safety first.
Look good, huh? All right, Do-Man, that should be enough, brother.
Now that it's fully painted, now we're going to
Let it dry.
let it dry a little bit. And Jed is going to come paint his layer. Then Jed is going to come paint his layer.
A little more.
A little more.
But he's going to do that a little bit later, not right now.
Not right now because
Alright guys, as y'all can see that we have done sprayed and it's all dry, and tomorrow guys, I hope you stay tuned because we're going to be putting decorations on. So, and before we end this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video with everybody so we can get a big thumbs up. Tune in for more. Hope you have your good night. Love y'all. Peace.